You can troll me, you can say nasty things about me, you can even abuse me. Just look at me. Just look at me. That's it. I don't even carry my own bag. I have hired 2-3 people who carry my own.
So you're a diva.
I have always been a diva, just that I didn't have money. And I hate celebrities who act poor, who act middle class. You got the money, flaunt it. It's not a bad thing to have money. कि हम तो बड़े middle class हैं, हमारी तो upbringing बड़ी middle class है. You are holidaying in Italy and London and you saying you are middle class. हमने कभी economy fly नहीं किया, हम तो middle class है. Oh please. Society मेरी चाची थोड़ी लगती है. Society मेरी सास थोड़ी लगती है. मुझे क्या मतलब? Why do I care? I don't care. I don't care about my relatives. I care about random auntie चाची. I don't care. जिसको करना है ना वो खुद ही करता है. अभी एक औरत है वो अपने पति से मार खा रही है, खाती रहेगी. तुम 10 बार बोल दो जाके कि अरे यार छोड़ दो अपने पति को, छोड़ दो अपने पति को. जब तक वो अंदर से करेज नहीं लाएगी छोड़ने का, अंदर से डिसाइड नहीं करेगी मुझे अब अपने लिए कुछ करना है, सामने वाला 4 चीज़ें बोल दे उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
Hello and welcome to News 18 Shosha. Today we have with us a very special guest. She's taken the fashion world by storm with her eclectic designs and fearless individuality. The internet's darling, she's not just a style icon but a powerful voice for self-expression. Urfi Javed, everyone. Urfi, thank you so much for joining us today.
Hi, thank you for having me.
You know, speaking of self-expression, if you could just tell us how it was shaped, you know, if you could just go back to your childhood, your experiences that shaped the whole art form that you speak of today.
My childhood didn't shape my art form, if you would call it art form. My childhood was very traumatic and very bad. But I think that is what people in our generation have endured, tolerated. A lot of children of my generation have gone through that. Very abusive father. So in my childhood, I didn't get the chance to grow or grow as an individual, grow in any way actually. And by the time I knew I was 17, I ran away from my house. So my creativity didn't really flourish at that time. In fact, nothing flourished at that time. So when I ran away from my house, I was really into fashion, but everything that I did was to survive. I didn't have any money, so I was just surviving. And I found social media a way to earn more money than what I was already doing, like television serials. So I just started sewing clothes and started posting my own DIY content on Instagram. So maybe from there it started.
So was social media and doing what you do sort of an escape?
No, it was not an escape. It was a necessity. It was a necessity to earn more money. Everything was very hand to mouth. TV serial का ये होता है कभी है कभी नहीं है. For 6 months I'm working, but then again for 6 months I'm not working, and then I never did any leads. I was always the side character, so my pay wasn't like in crores or lakhs. It was very normal, so it was just a way to pay my bills.
But Urfi, at what point did you think that okay, I've made it?
I am yet to cross that point. I am yet to feel that point. That I don't feel that I've yet made it. Honestly, no.
Okay, and you know, fashion earlier was restricted to perhaps vanity, but now you know it's a powerful tool of expression. In fact, only a week back, you know, actress Kani Kushrati, she was at Cannes and she was carrying a watermelon bag, you know, the color of the Palestine's flag, and you know, it's become over the years a very powerful tool of expression. How do you see it?
Not over the years. We believe it or not, but it was always there. It's just that earlier, during the time of kings or queens, it was just restricted to rich people. But even poor people did what they did. But fashion has always been there. It's just that when you get money, it is more accessible to you. That is it. Everyone wants to look their best. Everyone wants to look in a certain way depending on their mood. Like if I'm feeling sexy, like I was feeling very relaxed today. So I wore a t-shirt and
This
a
is really cool.
gym
Yeah.
shorts. I was feeling very relaxed. If I was in the mood for sexy, you'd see me in a very sexy dress, or if I was in the mood to be Urfi Javed, you would see me in an Urfi Javed outfit. So fashion is, of course, a form of expression. So it defines who you are at that moment.
You know, very interestingly, you said that if I was feeling myself, you'll see an Urfi Javed outfit. So how do you define your style sense?
I don't think so. I have found the word to define my style sense. I don't think so. It's one word. Also, my style sense is not restricted to a particular genre or a particular way. It's just, it totally depends on my mood, what I'm feeling in that moment. Sometimes when I'm feeling very controversial, I just put on nothing and walk out on the street. If I'm feeling creative, I'll put on birds around me or butterflies will come out of my outfit.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely stunning.
It was nice. Yeah, I think honestly I didn't like it that much.
Oh, you didn't? Why?
No, and then I feel it could have been better. Like every time I do something, I just feel this could have been better.
Okay.
So I just feel at least I'm on that path that I know.
So are you always competing with yourself?
Who else can I compete with? Who else is there? I think I only consider myself my competition, and yeah, that's it. I am competing with myself.
You know, speaking of that dress, even at the Met Gala, we saw Emilia Gray's dress, and everybody said that, you know, Urfi did it first. It was a trending hashtag that day, that Urfi did it first. And, you know, a lot of people, you know, they said that she didn't get her due here. She should have been born in another country. You know, this is not the place for Urfi. What is your take on that?
I didn't do it first, honestly.
No, you didn't. I mean,
I just took inspiration from the designers. So I got inspired from the designers, and those were the original pieces worn by the people there. And baat rahi due ki I'm not getting my due here in India. I don't feel like that. I mean, due की अगर बात करी जाए तो ऐसा तो मेरा मानना है that I deserve a Rolls Royce. I deserve everything. I deserve this entire building. I should own this building. I feel that. But then the world is not fair. That's what makes it fair. I think I'm born in the right country. I love India. I cannot even tell you. I feel this is the only place where I could be successful. India. If I would have been there, I wouldn't be successful. I don't know. I wouldn't not successful. I wouldn't get recognition there. I feel India is the only place that can give me recognition. And by recognition, I mean recognition. You can troll me. You can say nasty things about me. You can even abuse me. Just look at me. Just look at me. That's it.
but, you know, speaking of trolling, Urfi, does that ever get to you? Where do you draw this courage from? You know, just
We are
to...
Indian kids. Come on. Our parents have trolled us enough in our childhood. They have taunted us, they have trolled us, they have, not just the parents, relatives, and few things have happened in my life that made me the strong, that this is nothing. Like, if I can tolerate that or endure that during my teenage years, I think this is a piece of cake.
You know, but having said that, but on the inside, are you still that simple girl from Lucknow?
I was never a simple girl. I'm not a simple girl. Okay, I am not. I don't even carry my own bag. I have hired 2-3 people who carry my own.
So you're a diva.
I have always been a diva, just that I didn't have money. And I hate celebrities who act poor, who act middle class. You got the money, flaunt it. It's not a bad thing to have money. Why are people so... everyone just wants to be so relatable and कि हम तो बड़े middle class हैं, हमारी तो upbringing बड़ी middle class है. You are holidaying in Italy and London and you saying you are middle class. हमने कभी economy fly नहीं किया, हम तो middle class है. Oh please, हमने मतलब मैंने ट्रेन में भी कभी सफर नहीं किया था. Just shut the up. I am a diva. And now I'm slowly getting money. I want all the luxuries. I want everything. मुझे खुद ऐसे ग्लास भी लेना पसंद नहीं है पानी का. मैंने पूरी जिंदगी बहुत काम किया है, मतलब ये बेसिक वाला. अभी I can hire people to do that. I'm like a diva.
But does it get a little tiring to, fight also expectations from society at large? Like people saying, ki, okay, you are from a certain community, we don't wear such clothes. The challenging how
कौन बोल रहा है
society
सब?
views modesty.
सोसाइटी मेरी चाची थोड़ी लगती है, सोसाइटी मेरी सास थोड़ी लगती है, मुझे क्या मतलब? Why do I care? I don't care. I don't care about my relatives. I care about random auntie चाची. I don't care. सोसाइटी ऊंचे से ऊंचा बंदा पॉटी पे बैठे नंगा. We all we all poop the same, so I don't really care.
Recently, Janvi Kapoor, I don't know if you're aware, she said that she draws a lot of inspiration from.
That was very sweet of her. She's a very sweet girl. I even sent her some flowers when she said that. But I don't know if she received it or not. Yeah, I got her address from her manager.
Yeah?
Yeah. I've never spoken to her.
Okay.
But I just found that sweet, so I spoke to her manager. I requested for the address and I sent her flowers.
But have you made friends in Bollywood or in showbiz?
No.
You don't want to?
Want to मतलब friendship is something which happens organically. अभी तुमसे मिली अगर वाइब बनी फ्रेंडशिप होगी. You can't just force कि हो ये बॉलीवुड में इससे तो दोस्ती करनी है. I think I've crossed that stage. I'm not a teenager. Something happens naturally. It happens naturally. I'm not dying to make friends in Bollywood.
But you're friends with the internet personality Ori?
Ori's friends with everyone. Ori's friends with literally everyone. But he's a very nice guy.
He always has nice things to say about you. He keeps saying that,
Because he is himself a very nice guy. He is a very positive person. He has a good heart. That's what I've always said about. He might pretend to act all, I'm planning my downfall, I'm planning this. He's a very sweet guy. He's a sensitive guy.
And Urfi, speaking of Bollywood, it just, for an outsider, it takes a fair bit of struggle. You also have your show coming up on Amazon Prime. It takes struggle to sort of make inroads in Bollywood.
But I am not in Bollywood. I have found a place somewhere else. We are yet to define that space. You can call it maybe reality TV or whatever. So, of course, this was something very unheard of what I was doing. I mean, of course, there was a lot of struggle. No one knew what I'm doing. No one believed in me. Even my friends, no one. But I knew what I'm doing. I knew. And of course, usse pehle ka bhi struggle tha. It's not just these 2-3 years. I have been working since I was 17. So my whole life has been a struggle.
But those who thought that you will not make it, have they come back around reluctantly to tell you that, oh, you have?
No. Those who thought I will not make it, it's like, I mean, I don't care about them. Honestly, my friends and all who I really like are still there. Of course, they also had their hesitations. They also were like, what are you doing? But I understand. It's not like it's any... I felt bad or anything. It's completely okay. They were concerned. And rest, if we talk about the world, if the people that didn't believe in me, why should I care about them? I still don't. मतलब care as in ना मैंने तब ध्यान दिया ना मैं अभी दे रही हूँ. My agenda is very clear. I don't know what I'm doing, but I know what I want.
You did this film with Dibakar Banerjee, very, very sought after director, LSD2. So, what next? What in terms of films? So, what are your film aspirations?
No, I don't have film aspirations. This Dibakar Banerjee is an amazing director. I just did a 2-scene guest appearance. I was playing Urfi Javed only. So when he approached me, of course, he's Dibakar Banerjee. I cannot say no to him. Even if he would have asked me just to sit in the corner somewhere, I would have done that also. I really was honored when he approached me and he said he really likes whatever I do. People might not understand it, but he likes my courage. So I was just very honored. That's it. And I've always been a fan. So Bollywood is not an ambition or anything like that. I'm not really into Bollywood. और मेरे पास कोई ऑफर भी नहीं है ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे पास लाइन लगी हुई है. It's nothing like that. I really want to explore reality TV and I want to be an entrepreneur.
You want to be an entrepreneur?
Yeah.
Like, do you want to produce? Do you want to...
Entrepreneur. See, I cannot reveal more. You have to watch the show to know more about my entrepreneurship journey.
All right, and in terms of like you said, that you don't care about societal pressures, you don't conform to a certain this thing. But when you what all goes into creating a design? What are you really looking to do when you just self-expression, or you want to start a conversation?
I want to start a conversation. I want fame. I want to go viral all the time. I step out. I want numbers. If the a page uploads my video, I want it to be the most viewed video of theirs. I want them to earn the most money through me, even if I'm not earning anything because I'm getting the numbers. So I really love fame. I love money. I love attention. I can't lie about that. And as you said that I don't care about the society. See, not caring comes with age. The older you get, the more you stop caring. Like when I was 17, even a single hair on my body, I would like shave my body, like it should be hairless. But today, if you see, I थोड़े थोड़े बाल निकल रहे हैं, but who cares? So as you age, you stop caring. And I create these outfits. The agenda is, of course, to do something which will be viral, but also in a way which is like people go like, wow, how did she do it? This is crazy. Like as I said, I'm competing with myself. So I want to create something which is create some things which are so unique and so out of the box. Like you don't just do things for money. There's something like you want to grow in whatever work you're doing. You want to grow. You want to just I don't know, उसको आपको और अच्छा करना है, और पता नहीं कुछ एक अंदर से भूख होती है, तो वो भूख सिर्फ पैसों की नहीं है, वो किसी और चीज़ की है.
Also, just if you just keep the fashion aside, do you also somewhere want to start a conversation? Because in our society, just women wanting to wear what they want, that becomes a conversation. That becomes a comment thread on Instagram. So do you also somewhere want to sort of give the courage to other women to just be yourself?
No.
You don't.
I don't want to give courage to anyone. You get your own courage, भाई. हमने भी खुद ही निकाला था. आपने जिसको करना है ना वो खुद ही करता है. अभी एक औरत है, वो अपने पति से मार खा रही है, खाती रहेगी. तुम 10 बार बोल दो जाके कि अरे यार छोड़ दो अपने पति को, छोड़ दो अपने पति को. जब तक वो अंदर से करेज नहीं लाएगी छोड़ने का, अंदर से डिसाइड नहीं करेगी मुझे अब अपने लिए कुछ करना है, सामने वाला 4 चीज़ें बोल दे, उसको फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. सो आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग फॉर एनीवन, आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर माई सेल्फ.
Lately, this fashion influencer Nancy Tyagi, she went there stitching her own clothes, and she really made it big. What do you have to say about that?
I follow Nancy. We have spoken sometimes. She's sweet, yeah. She's nice. It feels good जब नीचे से कोई ऊपर आता है. She has done so much hard work, and मतलब it's very nice to see people getting their worth.
And you've always also been very honest. Like I remember nobody speaks of the the fillers, the surgeries, but you've always spoken about your lip filler, that you said that I've gotten it done. So you think honesty is the best policy in showbiz?
How do you know I'm honest? What if this is all a pretend? How do you know? What I'm lying, I'm not lying. I just say it with so much confidence that you'll never know.
You got me there. So, quick rapid fire before we let you go, Urfi. Best work advice that you've received?
I've not received, I've learned it myself. Whatever you do, be consistent. I've been working since I was 17. It's been a long journey, very long journey. For literally 9-10 years, there are days when I've just felt like giving up, but I never gave up. Even when no one believed in me, I just kept going. The only advice that I would give you, whatever you're doing, keep going. If you like what you're doing, keep going. It might take 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, but if you are consistent, if you are there, the universe might just reward you.
What's a deal breaker for you in a relationship?
रिलेशनशिप ही भी ब्रेकर हुआ पड़ा है, अभी कुछ है ही नहीं. Deal breaker, I mean, ये क्वेश्चन उल्टा होना चाहिए था. Deal breaker would be,
Okay, a turn off. A turn off in a.
yeah, मतलब, I don't know. A guy not giving me enough attention, because I love attention.
All right. One thing that you've learnt being in the spotlight.
I have learned, if you've noticed, that words have, your words can impact someone, negative, positive, depending on what you're saying. So be careful. Don't hurt others unnecessarily. I have really worked on myself, improved myself. I do not speak shit about anyone unless they have spoken shit about me. I will not speak bad about anyone unless they have said something. There's a difference between being battamiz and being straightforward. Difference hai.
But have you also grown a thick skin being around for so long?
But बदतमीजियाँ मैंने भी तो करी हैं. मैं भी कोई कम थोड़ी हूँ.
Okay. Your Bollywood inspiration in terms of, fashion or just otherwise.
I think Katrina.
What do you like about her?
I think a lot of people underestimated her, but today she is at a point where she's a leading actress, and she's also running a successful business. She's doing it all. So, and I've still seen people underestimate her a lot, but she's really done it.
Your last dialed.
That I don't know, I guess. I think it's Kajol, my friend. No, it's Prathamesh. She called me when I come in.
And lastly, what are you binge watching at the moment?
Binge watching.
Do you get time to watch?
Yeah, time तो बहुत रहता है. मुझे पसंद नहीं है देखना.
You don't like watching telly or series?
कभी कभी देख लेती हूँ कुछ जो पसंद आता है. अभी मैं पंचायत सोच रही थी शुरू करूँगी. Yeah, I was going to start Panchayat.
All right. Well, that's it from me, Urfi. Thank you so much for joining us. This was a really special chat. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hi, this is Urfi Javed, and you're watching me on News 18.